Multifunctional, use 6 digital cooking programs including white rice, brown rice, steam, slow cook, quinoa and oatmeal functions. Compact capacity -8 cup cooked, 2 quarts, capacity yields up to 8 cups of cooked rice. Its space-saving design is perfect for preparing small meals or tasty sides. Effortless Operation, the multi-use programmable rice cooker is user-friendly with digital panel and LED display, features 6 one-touch programs, automatically switches to keep warm for 12 hours and 12-hour delay timer is designed for flexible meal planning. Easy to clean, stainless steel external housing is easy to wipe clean. With a non-stick coating, the cleaning of the inner pot is like a breeze. The inner pot and all of the included accessories are dishwasher safe. Safety features, built-in overheating protection. Made of BPA-free food-grade material. Cool touch handle ensures your safety when you open the cooker. Warranty from COMFEE, this programmable electric rice cooker is made of BPA-free food-grade material. UL certificate approved. COMFEE will provide 1-year manufacturer warranty together with your purchase. COMFEE rice cooker, 6-in-1 stainless steel multi-cooker, slow cooker, steamer, saute, and warmer, 2 QT, 8 cups cooked, brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal, 6 one-touch programs. Compact capacity yields up to 8 cups of cooked rice. Its space-saving design is perfect for preparing small meals or tasty sides. Accessories, rice cooker, inner cooking pot, measuring cup, steam tray, serving spatula. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. This rice cooker makes the best rice. It is easy to clean up and doesn't take up much space. I have made about 3 batches of rice in it now and each time it comes out great. I do add about a tablespoon of olive oil so it doesn't brown on the bottom when it sits on warm. I love this so much that I think I will get one for my granddaughter who also has a small kitchen. I highly recommend this product. And it also has different capabilities. There is one for brown rice. There's one for slow cook. And also delayed cook, oatmeal, and it automatically sets to warm when finished. It says it takes about an hour, but I believe that's if you make all 4 cups. It didn't take that long for me to make 1 or 2 cups, it was more like half an hour.